Hey friends, in this video we are going to see how to reset your password. So it is a very simple thing. You go into your My Profile and from here you go into your reset password, put in your current password, put in a new password, confirm that new password, and once you've done that, just save. And I can see that the current password is wrong. I'm going to try to reset it again. And here it is. Your confirmed password, reset password is done. Thank you.